Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the vertical displacement of given 2D plane frame at location C using the energy principle, or we can say that the Castigliano's theorem. Now focusing on vertical displacement at C, it means that we have to apply a vertical arbitrary load at location C, and the location C we have 20 kilonewton vertical downward load which will be treated as arbitrary load of P. So for the calculation purpose we are going to use arbitrary load P as a 20 kilonewton, as at location C 20 kilonewton is existed. Now first of all, if we take the segment B to C, then cross section is look like, and if we take the origin as a X, then the moment at location X, which is P into X in clockwise direction, and according to the sign convention, sectional right hand side clockwise moment and sectional left hand side anti-clockwise moment is treated as negative. Hence our moment in BC segment is minus P into X. Similarly, if for the segment AB, if we take the origin as a B, then the cross section is look like, and if we take the B as a origin, then the sectional distance is as a X meter. We have to calculate moment at location XX, hence for P kilonewton load or arbitrary load, it is P into 4 clockwise, hence for segment AB our value of moment is P into 4 clockwise, which is negative, hence minus 4P, and for 10 kilonewton horizontal load it is 10 into X, and clockwise moment is negative, hence it is minus 10x. So for any portal frame having only one friction support which is similar to the cantilever beam, and we have to calculate the moment of this segment using segmental part without calculating the support reaction. Now going for the tabular form of Castigliano's theorem, as we have calculated the sectional moment of BC segment. So first of all, BC segment having the origin as a C, distance of, or we can say that the limit of this segment is 4 meter. Moment of inertia is not given, hence it is taken as I. So moment of inertia is I, and moment of BC segment is minus Px. So it is minus Px. Similarly, for A to B segment, our origin is B, distance is given as 4 meter. So it is 4 meter. Moment of inertia is not given, hence it is taken as I. Moment of this AB segment is minus 4P minus 10x. So it is minus 4P minus 10x. Now according to the Castigliano's theorem, deflection at any location which can be calculated by mathematical equation 1 by EI integration limit from entire span 0 to L mx multiplied by del mx by del p. It means partial derivation of sectional moment with respect to load or arbitrary load into dx. So if we take the partial derivation of minus px with respect to p, it is minus x, and partial derivation of minus 4p as a minus 4, and minus 10x is a 0, as there isn't any p. Now going ahead for the calculation part, as so total delta at location C or deflection at location C is nothing but delta BC and delta AB according to superposition theorem. So first of all, for delta BC it is 1 by EI, and 1 by EI is constant for both the span, so it is taken as a constant. Now integration limit is 0 to 4 meter. Multiplication of mx with respect to partial derivation, hence it is minus px into minus x dx for BC span, and for second span the limit is 0 to 4, and moment is minus 4p minus 10x into del mx by del p is minus 4 dx. Now solving this equation, we will have Now 1 by EI is constant, px square dx, which is p into x cube by 3, and limit is 0 to 4. Now for second part, it is 16p dx, which is 16 into p into x, plus 40x dx. So integration of 40x is 40 x square by 2, and limit is 0 to 4. Now we know that our arbitrary load P, which is equal to 20 kilonewton, as at location C 20 kilonewton load is existed. So replace the value of P by 20 kilonewton, and crossing the limit we will have P as a 20, upper limit is 4, so 4 cube by 3 plus 16, now P value is 20, x as a 4 plus 40, x as a 4 square by 2. Now solving this equation, we will have the vertical deflection of location C as a 2026.67 by EI. So using Castigliano's theorem, we can find out the deflection of given portal to the front. Thank you.